Hey YouTube, this is Sharp and Shiny. Quick unpackaging from Apmex's eBay site. About a week or two ago, they were having this awesome deal. Basically, them and Provident was pretty much battling with lower premiums and nice sales on 1 ounce pieces or 10 ounce pieces. But this in particular, the African wildlife Somali elephants, they were on sale at eBay. At the time, I think they were about 25 bucks each. So here we go. The Apmex's eBay site had them for that same price, and the shipping was much cheaper. As you guys know, sorry, the thunder is raining out here. As you guys know, Apmex's eBay site, they sell basically the same coins they sell online at their own site, but shipping is $4.95 for the first item and then 25 cents for each additional. So I picked up 5 of these guys, and my total shipping was, I think, $5.95. So like I said, I picked 5 of them up, and I got some airtights for them. Alright guys, there we go. And airtights. Again, just a quick video with my latest packages that came in. Thanks for checking out the channel, and you guys have a great day.